First of all, good evening, everyone. Today is Diwali. So, first of all, Shubh Deepavali to everyone. I'm your host and your host, Karan. I am present here with many of my friends who are very talented. So, they are going to show us all our talent. So, first of all, Nikita. Nikita is going to give a speech on Diwali festival. Nikita, you can.
Good evening, everybody, and thank you, Karan, for allowing me to give speech on Diwali today. So, as we know that today is a very auspicious festival, and it is one of the most important festival of Sanatan Dharma. So, I would like wish you a very happy Diwali and very Shubh Diwali. And it is celebrated in the lunar solar months of Kartika and Ashvina. It lasts for 5 days, and on this day, we all people show their devotion and worship to Hindu deities like Lord Ganesha, who is the who deletes all the obstacles from our life, and Goddess Lakshmi, who is the embodiment of wealth and pleasure, and many other Hindu gods and goddesses. So the first day starts with the festival of Dhanteras, in which people buy some, gold and some wealthy items for themselves. And then second day is the Choti Deepavali, and then third day is the main Deepavali festival, and fourth day is the Govardhan Puja, and fifth day is celebrated as Bhai Dooj. And on this day, people celebrate this day with some delicious Hindu delicacies and wearing so many good outfits and decorating their homes with lightnings and flowers and garlands and keeping their houses clean. And the preparation starts from 1 month ago, 1 month back when the Diwali festival arrives. So the preparation is consists of cleaning the whole house, furnishing it, and then decorating it with earthen lamps on the day of Diwali, and with lightning, and with so many other ideas like decorating the home entrance with a pattern which is known as Rangoli in Hindi, and although lighting the earthen lamps on Rangoli. So many people celebrate this festival in many different ways. Some in And this festival represents the holy homecoming of Lord Rama into his kingdom Ayodhya after defeating the demon Ravan along with his wife Sita and his younger brother Lakshmana. And and people also celebrate this homecoming of Lord Rama with this festival of Diwali. So I would like to conclude my speech on this part. So thank you everyone.
So Nikita, your speech was great, but there are many fouls. But today is not a feedback day, so I'm not going to give you feedback. So, thank you so much, Nikita. So now I want Amit. Amit is want to share his some memories of Diwali. So Amit, you can go for it.
Yeah, thank you, Karan. My name is Amit, and today I'm basically going to share a casual experience. As you know that we are studying currently a CAP program. So I don't think we are getting so much time to fully experience some of our festivals, like full-heartedly. At least I don't do. I like to reflect on the previous days, the old days when we used to get up early in any festival, let it be Diwali or Durga Puja, anything else. So we used to get up early and we had a bath. Actually, we don't have bath. We are forced to have a bath by our parents. So that's real, guys. And then we go to market and have some sweets, like buy some sweets and new clothes. And then we came home full of excitement and full of joy. So those were the days when we used to call our friends or basically go to our friends. Like if our friends, uh, like the neighborhood friends, we go to them and like wish them with kind-hearted and full of joy. And then we share our good memories, play with them. So those were the days. But I don't think nowadays we get that much time, or we get that much like we had that much time to celebrate all these things. So those are the tests, and I want to reflect on those good memories and have those good memories, because those are the things that will give you the power and the encouragement to to basically go through your difficult times. So these were the things from my side. Thank you.
Thank you, Amit. Your speech was really great. Your experience was really great, I should say, and it was relatable. So that was very good. So now I want Supriya to go for a song. So she will going to sing a song for us. So first of all, clapping for Supriya before a song. Then we will clap again.
Drum roll, guys, drum roll.
Supriya, let's go. Please mute yourself, everyone.
Yep.
Okay. Can I turn off my camera and then sing?
No,
Yeah,
no, please,
definitely.
no. I'm
I mean, if you
no, 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 no.
Okay, then
Camera,
I'll be
yes.
staring down because I might
हाँ
laugh,
हाँ
guys.
हाँ हाँ ओके ओके अरे हमें से कोई नहीं हंसेगा यार चिल
I don't trust you.
ट्रस्ट अस यार इट्स दिवाली ओकेजन
trust me only, they are,
yes yes
except of me, they all are not trustworthy persons for you.
अरे यार
You can
चलो
trust me only.
चलो चलो चलो
I
चलो
can trust you.
चलो सुप्रिया प्लीज
Let me think for a song, guys.
प्लीज pause the recording so
Pause,
that
pause the
she can
recording,
sing.
yeah. So, thanks to Karan for allowing me to sing a song on this auspicious occasion of Diwali. So, I would be singing a little para of my one of the most admiring song, Hasi. So, without interruption, I'll just like to go ahead. And sorry if I got stuck in between. So, क्या खूब रब ने किया बिन मांगे इतना दिया वरना है मिलता कहाँ हम काफिरों को खुदा हसरतें अब तुमसे है जा मिली तुम दुआ अब मेरी आखिरी बन गए हाँ हंसी बन गए हाँ नबी बन गए तुम मेरी आसमां मेरी ज़मीं Thank you.
So everyone please turn on your mic and clap for Supriya.
Yeah,
Very nice, Supriya. Any
Very
thoughts from
nice.
anyone? Any thoughts
Thank you.
from anyone? Please judge.
Yes. I have to
Yes.
add something to
So Amit, yes.
what you did. It would take me, I think, my whole life to do, because on camera singing is, it takes guts.
Guts, yes.
Takes guts.
I
agree.
agree fully. So thank you, Supriya, for making our day special with your song. So now it's time
Yes.
for our most favorite contestant, Nikita. So Nikita, you can go for your song. So Nikita is also going to sing a song. Actually, she is going to sing a aarti. So everyone, please put your mic in silent. Please mute yourself. Nikita, you can go. For
Thank you, Karan, for such kind and appreciating words for me. And I'm going to sing Lord Ganesha Aarti, and the name of Aarti is Sukh Karta Dukha Harta. So here I go. Am I audible properly? Okay. सुख करता दुख हरता वार्ता विघ्नाची मुनुर्वी पूर्वी प्रेम कृपा जयाची सर्वांगी सुंदर उटिशेंदुराची कंठी झलके मार मुक्ता फरांची जय देव जय देव जय देव जय देव जय मंगल मूर्ती दर्शन मात्रे मन कामना पूर्ती जय देव जय देव रत खचित फरा तुझ गौरी कुमरा चंदनाची उटी कुंकुम केशरा हिरे जडित मुकुट शोभत बरा रुंजुंटी रूपुर चरणी घागरिया जय देव जय देव जय देव जय मंगल मूर्ति दर्शन मात्रे मन कामना पूर्ति जय देव लंबोदर पीतांबर परिवर वंदना सरल सोंड वक्र तुंड त्रिनयना दास रामाचा वत्परे सदना संकटी पावावे निर्वाणी रक्षावे सुरवर वंदना जय देव जय देव जय देव जय देव जय मंगल मूर्ति दर्शन मात्रे मन कामना पूर्ति। जय देव सिंदूर लाल चढ़ायो अच्छा गजमुख को। धोंडल लाज बिराजे सुत गौरी हर को। हाथ लिए गुड़ लड्डू साई सुरवर को। महिमा कहे न जाए लागत को। जय देव जय देव जय देव जय देव श्री गणराज विद्या सुखदाता। धन्य तुम्हारो दर्शन मेरा मन रमता। जय देव जय देव. I think I won't be able to go further because of my voice. So thank you everybody for having the attention.
You take all the limelight from Supriya. It was really great.
Yes, pretty
Yes,
great.
I very
really,
stuck
really
in
great.
between. Sorry
No,
for
no,
inconvenience.
it was really
The
great.
song was good.
We are
Thank you.
feeling very, very religious now. It's very great.
At the end, what happened? My voice started trembling,
Yes,
Yeah.
and I
we
stopped.
can feel that. Yes, but
Thanks,
your
thanks everybody.
song was your song. I should say, or what? Your
A devotional song.
Devotional
your
song.
aarti is very good. It was
Thank
very
you.
good, really. So now I want each of you to tell something like what is your favorite thing in Diwali? What do you do most
Start from
of the time?
Tiwari. He hasn't
No,
spoke
no.
yet.
I start. I am the host.
Okay. Okay.
Yes. So so for me, for me, the Diwali festival is all just मतलब यार सिर्फ क्या बोलते हैं मिठाइयों का त्योहार है यार मिठाइयाँ दे दो मुझे बहुत पसंद है मुझे मतलब I really like मिठाई मतलब what we say मिठाई
Sweets.
sweets I really like sweets so I really don't burst any crackers मतलब from my childhood I don't like bursting crackers so it is all about the sweets for me I really love sweets the all of the family members came so it was like a good gathering of family and sweets so food lot of food so these things are my favorite on Diwali so that's all from my side Vishal bhai you can tell us what is your experience of Diwali what you love
Yeah, Karan, actually the same things which you already told. Like uh, for me, I mean, Diwali is a very happy festival. You can say full of lights and the vibes in Diwali which is coming are very much good for me. But basically, as you said here, that Diwali is for me is all about to eat lots of sweets or because I really don't burst firecrackers as you told that मतलब पटाखे वड़ाके मैं भी नहीं जलाता हूँ मेरा छोटा भाई है वो तो जलाता है पर he brought I mean he just go with my father and brought lots of पटाखे तो अभी जलाएगा पर मैंने पटाखे वड़ाके में नहीं जलाता हूँ बाकी यार ऐसा ही है सब दिवाली बाकी तो main the very much important thing in Diwali which I really like is the vibes of Diwali.
yes totally
दिवाली में वाइब्स बहुत अच्छी होती हैं बाहर भी निकल जाओ मार्केट में भी
झालरे
झाल रहे हैं
लाइटिंग
पूरा पूरा घर साफ सफाई होने के बाद अच्छा लगता है
मेहनत
और
भी बहुत करनी होती है
हाँ थोड़ा सा मेहनत तो होती है लेकिन दिवाली के दिन की वाइब्स अलग होती है विच आई रियली लव
so now who wants to go next okay Amit you can go you can tell what is your
Yeah,
favorite thing
so thank you, Karan. So as I told you that previous days, the old days were the golden days. I would reflect one more memory. What we used to do is obviously we were not alone. हमारे cousins आते थे, हमारे दूर के जितने भी चाचा चाचियाँ आती थी, so they used to buy some gift for me and my all brothers and sisters. So those gifts, we were eagerly waiting for those gifts only. To be honest. So when we received those gifts and obviously some money as well as a blessing. So we hold those money and those gifts and just went inside and like divide like ye tera hai and then ye mera hai and then we used to buy some crackers obviously to be honest and go outside and तब तक जलाते थे जब तक या तो मम्मी बुला नहीं लेती थी या तो हमें भूख नहीं लग जाती थी and then we came in and then have those sweets and whatever my parents has like cooked. So we ate them happily and like went to sleep. So those were the days.
I totally related with you, Amit, because in my family also all the chacha chachis come in my house, all the cousins. I have a big family, so matlab I am the eldest son in my house. So all my little brother and sister just came कि भाई ये आया मैं सबको बांटता था बांटता हूँ मैं। तो वो हाँ चलो ठीक हाँ so anyone else? Supriya, you want to say? Okay, Nikita, you can go.
Thank you, Karan. Now I would like to share my experience on what do I like the most in Diwali. So I would just like to sum up everybody's views, like what Vishal, Karan, and Amit had said, that the vibes are very good, and the most important part are the sweets actually, and also the family gatherings that happen in Diwali. And what I personally like about Diwali is that it is a festival of lights, and everywhere we see lights and garlands decorating the whole spaces, buildings, houses, and everywhere wherever there are some workplaces. And then we children bursting crackers. So the vibes comes when the before the arrival of this festival, and we start experiencing all these things before the arrival of festivals, like 10 days, 15 days before the festivals, because the children are most curious about this festival and most excited. So they just burst crackers all around and disturbing everybody. And then some aunties used to stop them, and which creates a little comedy. So it is very laughable situation, and I really relish these kind of moments. And and I would like to share one of my experience, which is very hilarious, because when I was very small in my childhood, I used to get scared from crackers, and I don't used to burst them ever. And whenever somebody bursts crackers on like near to my house or in our street, then I used to go to my storeroom and then I used to hide there, and then I never come out of that. And then my parents had to take me out of that storeroom and just bring me outside. And yes, almost the festival is also celebrated by delicacies like desserts, sweet desserts, which are very relishing, and all those things. The whole house is cleaned on this occasion, which is very good, bringing some positive and energetic vibes surrounding in the surroundings, and which is a very healthy atmosphere also, because cleaning brings positive vibes. And yeah, that's all I like about Diwali. Thank you.
So that was great experience, Nikita. We all can relate with that.
Thank you.
So Supriya, you want something to say? Please, you can go for it.
Yeah, as she said that vibes are better, but let me tell you one thing. My personal experience that I had been working since today, and now I'm
Yeah,
I'm free now.
that's
I
why
can have the
that's why Supriya is too much excited today.
to eat sweet, to burn firecrackers. I will not say that I don't burn. Of course, I do burn. That diyas and all those stuff. I really like. I mean, my house full of lights and all, which I have personally decorated. I love to decorate. I love to create my own things, and just like last years, I have too created the temple of my house very beautifully. So I'm very excited to do worship of God. I'm very excited to eat sweets, especially as Karan said. So that's how I would like to wind up. Thank you, Karan.
I'm so sorry. I am not listen. I don't listen to your full speech because of a call. So so that's all from our side. And we all want to say Happy Diwali to all of you who are watching this. So सब एक साथ कहो यार Happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali.
Happy
Well,
Diwali.
Happy
to all of
Diwali.
you. शुभ
Happy
दिवाली.
Diwali. Shubh
Sorry,
Diwali.
sorry.
Shubh Deepavali.
विशाल भाई कहाँ गए?
He wants to make the me more
यार recording
more
मत करिए.
authentic. वो कैलेंडर वो
मेरा
क्या
बुलावा
बोलते
आ
हैं
गया.
कैंडल वैंडल लेकर आ
हाँ.
रहे हैं मुंह के सामने जलाओ.
हाँ चलो सब एक साथ हैप्पी दिवाली कर दो और बाय करते हैं.
Okay.
चलो शुभ दिवाली
Shubh
एवरीवन.
Deepavali.
Yes.
Shubh
Happy
Diwali.
Yeah,
Diwali, guys.
happy Diwali, guys.
चलो सब एंजॉय करो और मीटिंग का रिकॉर्ड मतलब यार रिकॉर्डिंग खत्म हो गया.